morning, dear students. My name is Kumar Garu. I welcome you all today. I hope you all are good at your home and you have done all the work whatever I have given you. I am teaching you about narration. It is very most important part of your syllabus. You have to try to understand all the concept of narration, what is direct way and what is indirect way. Means I'm talking about reported speech, and I have told you about the rules. What is reported speech, what is reporting clause, and what is reporting verb. All the rules have been explained by me and you have already studied about it. I hope you are understanding it very well. Now we are going to discuss about one by one. First we will discuss about present. The tense we will discuss about present indefinite, present indefinite, okay, and the verb I'm talking about, we will discuss about reporting. Which verb? That will be reporting verb past. Reporting verb past. And the sentence will be in the statement form. Statements. Statements means it will be either in affirmative or negative. Affirmative or negative. So from today we are going to discuss about reporting verb past. Tense will be in the indefinite. Present indefinite means the tense will be in present indefinite. Reported speech. So we have one example of, suppose she said to me. We will make here the affirmative sentence of present indefinite. I do your work daily. Okay. She said to me, I do your work daily. This is the sentence. Okay. This is the sentence of present indefinite tense, means affirmative sentence of present indefinite tense. So this is reported speech. Reported speech, and we have to see here reporting verb. It is in past. Okay. In this way we have to convert into indirect. This is the direct speech. What is this? Direct speech. Okay. Sorry. So write down it. C. Said to will be converted into. Can you guess in which? That will be told. Said to will be here told. Okay. Now we can make here me. She told me. To remove comma, inverted comma. What I have told you, to remove comma and inverted comma, you can use here that. Why? Because it is the form of, it is in the form of statement, means the sentence is in affirmative. So we can use here that, and then the I. We have to see the I. I is the subject of reported speech. I is the subject of reported speech, but it is in the first form. So first form we have to change from the subject of reporting clause. Okay. So I have told you about it. SON 1, 2, 3. Okay. Means this I is the first form, and first form will be changed from the subject of reporting clause. The subject of reporting clause is C. It will be converted into C. Okay. Now we have to see the verb is. in the past tense, and when I have told you about that, when the reporting verb is in past, the tense of reported speech will be changed. Present indefinite tense will be changed into past indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense will be changed into past indefinite tense. So we can use here do. In the past indefinite tense, the verb of do will be converted into in the second form, that will be did. Okay? Your. Now I am talking about your in the second form. Second person. Sorry, second person. So second person will be converted into object. The object is me. We can change into me, and here will be my. Because your is in possessive form. So what is the possessive form of I or me? It will be my. Okay? And then work. Then daily. Then full stop. Comma, noted comma will be removed because we have already used that. Okay? So in this way, she said to me, I do your work daily. She said to me, I do your work daily. And this has been converted into indirect speech. She told me that she did my work daily. This sentence is in actual words, but this is in our words. Okay? So this is indirect and this is direct. This is the way by which you can make a bit, by which you can convert any kind of direct speech into indirect speech. I hope you are understanding it, and you can make yourself more example of this. First you write down it, and then I'll make you more, I'll explain you more example of it. Okay, note down it. I hope you have done it. Have you done? Is there any problem? If you have any problem, you can message me. You can ask any kind of question with related narration, with related reported speech. Okay? Now we are going to start, means we are going to study more example of this affirmative. So write down the teacher said to the students, common the form. Okay? You all start speaking English today. Okay? The teacher, look at this. The teacher said to the students, you all start speaking English today. You all start speaking English today. From today. No, sorry, only today. You all start speaking English today. Okay? It is English statement form. Remove it. You all start speaking English. I think this sentence has the sense of imperative. We have to change here something. You all speak English daily. In this way. In that sentence, there is the sense of imperative sentence. And we are studying affirmative sentence. You all speak English daily. We have one more example. The teacher said to the students, you all speak English daily. Okay. So, this is reporting class. You know very well. And this is reporting verb. And this is reported speech. Okay. Now we can make it the teacher told. Said to will be converted into told, as I told you already about it, the student. That. To remove comma inverted comma, we can use that. The teacher told the students that you is the second person. Second person will be changed into object. Object. What is the object? The students are the object of reporting clause. So we can convert this you into the students. So it will be converted into them. Okay? It will be converted into them. This is the object, but what is the subject of them? What is the subject of them? It will be converted into they. Okay? They all. And now we have to see the sense of, means the tense of this sentence. The tense of this sentence, this is present indicative tense and this is reporting verb past. So we can convert it into past indicative tense. They are spoke English daily. Look at this sentence. They all spoke English daily. In the past indicative tense, we use the second form of the verb, and verb is speak. It will be converted into spoke. I hope you are understanding it. In this way, you can make the sentence, and you will find out in the examination in MCQ form or filler forms. This narration, it is very important for you. And I am reminding you again and again, or this type, after studying all the things, you have to do practice of MCQ form. Whatever you will study in the grammar section, all the things you have to do practice with the help of MCQ. Means the question mostly based on MCQ. Multiple choice question, and I give you all type of multiple choice questions, and in this way you can do. First, focus on the structure, on the concept of narration. And if you don't understand about the narration, the tense of this, you can study of tense. Okay? Start your study of tense and then try to make this or try to convert it. Clear? Now write down more example of this. Now we will make the negative form. Means negative sentence of this. Negative sentence. What is negative sentence? Means negative sentences when there is the sense of negative in the sentence, you can write down I said to him, you don't. I said to him, you don't play with my friends in your park. Okay, look at this. I said to him, you don't play with my friends in your park. This is the example. Either sense of negative. This is reported speech. This is reported speech, and we have to convert into from direct to indirect. Direct to indirect. Okay. Now you can write down I said to will be told him. Okay. I told him. It will be converted into that. After this, you have to think about the concept of structure of rules of. So you is the second form and second person. Second person will be changed into I have told you about as or and 1, 2, 3. Second person will be changed into object. Object is him. Okay, object is him. So him will be converted into subject, and the subject of him will be he. The subject of him will be he. So this is the place of subject. We can write down the subject of him. That is he. Okay. Now we have the negative sense. We have the negative sense don't. In the past tense, we use in place of don't did not. Did not. Means we can use here didn't. Okay. Did not. Play will be first form. Play with. Now we have my. In the case of possessive means possessive case of first person. Possessive case of first person, and first person will be changed from subject. Subject is I also. Okay. Both are same. So it will be same. My. My friends. In. Now here your. Your will be changed from him. But what is the possessive case of him? That is his. His. Part. Okay. Sorry. His park. So I told him that he did not play with my friends in his park. So in this way, we have another example of negative sentence. I said to him, you don't play with my friends in your park, and with the help of rules, structures, we have done. I told him that he did not play with my friends in his park. Okay? In this way, you have to also try to understand the concept of direct to indirect. Then you can write down. Note down it. I hope you are understanding it and you are getting my points. If there is any problem, I am trying to say you again and again. You have to ask the question with related direct and indirect. And try to solve any kind of practice paper with related narration or reported speech. Okay? Note down it. You have 2 minutes to write down. I hope you have done it. Have you done? Okay, we have some more example of this. You can make more example. Suppose I am writing someone's name. Suppose Raju said to you. My father doesn't allow me to go with you. Look at this. Raju said to you, my father doesn't allow me to go with you. This is a sentence has the sense of negative, and how we have to change into the same process, the same rules we have to follow. Raju told you. Okay? Then that Raju told you that my father. But my is first person and it will be converted into Raju. Raju is a name. It belongs to he. Okay. So we can convert into my is a possessive case. What is my? It is possessive case. Possessive case of I. Okay. I is the first person. It will be changed from Raju. And if Raju considers he, the possessive case of he will be his. What will be? His. His father. Okay? Now, doesn't. The verb is in past. The tense will be converted into past indefinite in the sense of negative. You can say that did not allow. It will be same. Allow. Me is the first person, the object of. So Raju is the subject. So me will be changed from Raju. Raju considers he. Okay. Raju is considered he. We can convert into him. Allow him to go with you. You is the second person. It will be converted into you. The same will be. His father did not allow him to go with you. Raju told you that his father did not allow him to go with you. Okay? I hope you are understanding it. Only you have to try to understand the concept of reported speech and try to revise all the tenses. Then you will find out easily you are able to make any kind of reported speech. And with the help of that, you can do the conversation of anyone. You will listen the conversation and you will convert into indirect. If you are watching or writing or doing practice, you will do. Note down it and make your notes properly.